Welcome to the Seneca Software tutorial series. In this video, we will guide you through the steps to set up a new database connection in Seneca Software. Properly configuring your database connection is essential for accessing and managing your data effectively. Let's get started. Seneca offers the capability to create database (ODBC) connections, which can be utilized for both data and structure imports. The software allows for the creation of multiple connections to different databases, providing flexibility and efficiency in managing your data sources. First step, open the connection function under the Settings menu. Second step, we define a new connection, so click on the Add button. Third step, we should enter the parameters of the new connection, which are the following. At name, please type Demo. For database type, select MS SQL Server. At Server ODBC, write 192.168.0.3. At database, type Demo DW. The username and the password are both Demo. Fourth step, click on Check Connection. If it's successful, then we save our connection definition. And that's how you can set up a new database connection in Seneca Software. By following these steps, you ensure a reliable connection to your database, allowing for efficient data management and analysis. Thank you for watching this tutorial. See you in the next video. Goodbye.